Hey guys, this is JT here. This is going to be an unboxing or quick unboxing and look at the Crawler King. I got this from rcmoment.com. Now, there is a 12 scale version of this, but this right here is the 18th scale. So you guys see there it says 6x6, so it does have 6-wheel drive. And I believe those are going to be two functional tires and wheels on the back of this as well. So let me get this box open real quick. Alright, so pulling this out, you guys see they pretty much got this pretty well packed in here. And I don't think there's anything else. So there's probably some instructions down up in here. So let me take a minute. Let me go ahead and clip these off real quick. Alright, so got all the formalities and all that out the way. So there is instruction manual, which is just going to be this that's in here. Figured I'd go ahead and get this out real quick to make sure this information is in English. This talks about, you guys can see this here, just some of the features of it and specifications. And then they give you an instruction manual basically on the car and stuff, basic operation and stuff like that. And they do give you a charger. This is going to be a USB charger here, so you can plug this into either your computer, laptop, car. Some people have plug-ins to their wall, and you can plug this right in here as well, or even in some other things as well. And then this is going to charge up the battery, so it's probably like a lithium-ion battery that's included with it. They give you one tool here, so this is going to be to work on it somewhat with this as well. So let's take a look at this car up real close real quick, get this light going. So like I said, this is the 1/18 scales. There's also a 1/12 scale version of this as well. So looking at the suspension setup, this is going to be, it's still considered RC car, and it's still somewhat considered hobby grade, but it is more of a toy grade. I'm pretty sure if you break something, you can maybe find replacement parts for it. I haven't checked on that too much. Looking at the tires on here, let's see, yeah. So they are functional tires, but there's no foams or anything in those. You probably wouldn't expect that from this, but probably with the 12 scale, you would probably get foam in the tires. I'm not 100% sure. And it looks like it may have working LED lights there and also at the top as well. So I don't think this is plugged up. No, it's not. So I have to plug this up. So let's see. The battery probably goes in here. Oh, I got to remove a screw here to actually access the battery. So let's take a look at that real quick. All right, so getting this out, this is the battery, and this is small. This is about, I don't know, about the size of some AAAs, and it is a 1300 milliamp battery, 400 milliamp battery, or lithium-ion battery. So I don't know the kind of runtime, probably about a 10-minute runtime at the most with this. So I'll get this thing charged up as well. But the one thing is that you do have to unscrew this and then screw it back on to access the battery. But it does look like it has enough room here to fit a larger one in here if you were going to do that as well. So I went ahead and plugged this up real quick because, yeah, it does have functioning lights top and bottom. So that's a pretty cool feature that they're going to add with this. So I am curious how this is going to run out there. Of course, the suspension is going to be probably a little bouncy. The front doesn't seem to move that much. But we'll see how this thing gets out there when we get this out there to run. I do like it that it has 6-wheel drive. So it looks like it has actually 3 motors in it. 1, 2, and then 3 there. But it only has front wheel steering with it. There's no 4-wheel steering in the back, which is fine, you know, with that. So we'll get this battery charged up and do a kind of a test run and then take it out there to the field. With the radio, it is a 2.4 gigahertz radio. See if we can zoom this in and get this a little bit clearer. So it does have some of your basic throttle and steering trims on it, which is good. And it's 2.4 gigahertz, which is another plus. I'm glad no one's including AM radios with this. And this does use 4 AA's. So that's going to be a plus too with that. Because I know a lot of these right here, they're either going to use 3 or 4 AA's. So that's just a quick look at this. Like I said, I got this from RC Moment. I'll put a link in the description. With this link, you'll get a couple bucks off too if you order through that, or other than just going to their site and ordering it directly from their site. So I'll get some running videos up of this. I'll probably do a trial run later on tonight so that we can see how this looks with these lights, or get it running one night so we can see how it is in the night. And then I'll take it off road just to do a test run out there as well. So you guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned for more videos.